Hello my favorite people, I hope you are doing great today. In this video we are going to explain in details what is Blum Memepad, what is Blum Memepad all about, what it takes to start Blum Memepad to create your own coin, is it necessary, and everything you need to know about this Blum Memepad, and I'm going to show you step by step how to start your own Memepad. Alright, so please, before we dive into the video, if you know you are new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go and subscribe please, and share this video with your friends. All right, so let's go down. As you can see here, we have the Blum Memepad here. Here is the detailed explanation of Memepad. All right, first of all, we all need to know what is Memepad. Memepad is the easiest way to create and launch your own meme coin. All right, whether you are a creator, influencer, or just someone with a passion for memes, Memepad lets you build a custom token in just 3 clicks. So let me explain this, please. They said this Memepad is a coin that you can create you yourself personally, whether you're an influencer, whether you're a creator, or someone with passion for memes. So this is for everyone if you want to, right? So you start building your community quickly and easily. All right, why should I use Memepad to create a meme coin? Why? They're asking you this question, why? So people ask this question, and here is the answer. Meme coins are more than just fun. They are a way to build community around what you love, whether you are into music, sports, gaming, or just a meme that is too good to ignore. Memepad gives you the power to create your own token and connect with others who vibe with you. It is fast, simple, and secure, and you don't need any technical experience to get started. So, Blum are giving you a chance to create your own Memepad, especially when you have a community, when you have people to share with. Or you are a celebrity, you have millions or thousands of people around that you want to create your own token, and you know your people will join you on that. So it's a big chance for you to jump into it. All right, the third thing is, how do I create my own meme token? So I'm going to explain this later. I'm going to explain this. I'm going to show you practically, and I'm going to explain what is here. So let's go to the next question. Yeah, what can I do with Memepad once my token is live? So what are you going to do with Memepad once your token is live? With Memepad, you have got everything you need to create, track, and grow your meme coin. Create your token, pick your passion, give it a name, and mint your own coin in no time. All right, launch and flex. Show off your new token to your community or to the world. Track the hype. Watch your token take off. Track its value and see how it grows. So this is fun. This is really fun. If you follow this, all these things they are trying to explain here, this is very fun, because you are going to be watching your own token, your own coin growing up or losing value and all. So the next one here is how to buy a token. All right, so how to buy a token. So in order to buy token, you need to complete 2 simple steps. One, you need to connect your wallet with Ton on it. It can be wallet, Tonkeeper, or any wallet of your preference that support Ton network. Then select token you like. Input the amount of Ton you want to spend and press the buy button. Then just follow the flow and approve transaction in the wallet. So you see, if you want to buy a token, you just have to go to the home page where you see different people, different tokens there. You choose the one that you want to buy, make sure you connect your wallet, make sure you have Ton in your wallet. Then you go there and you see the price of the tokens there. Then you buy the token of your choice. All right, this is easy. Let's go to the next, the sixth. Where to find bot tokens. Where are you going to find the token? So I have explained that tokens that you bought can be found in the position tab in the Memepad, or in your wallet connected to Blum Mini app. So you're going to see your tokens there. Your wallet connected to Blum Mini app in your wallet. It's going to be in your wallet. I don't know that. So in the position tab in the Memepad, you're going to see it in the position tab in the Memepad or in your wallet. So it's going to be in your wallet. Really? I don't know that. All right. How to sell token. So if you want to sell your own token, number 7 here. In order to sell a token, you need to go to the token page. You go to the token page and put the amount of tokens you want to sell and press sell button. After you approve the transaction in your wallet, a token will be sold. All right, so this is how to sell it. How to trade a token after migration to DEX. So how to trade a token: if you bought token from Bonding Corp on token, the token migrated to DES, you will see an unlock button. So you are going to see an unlock button. You need to press it and confirm transaction in your wallet in order to be able to trade tokens when migration to DES is completed. All right, so trading will be available at the same token page on Memepad. All right, so how to buy ton if you don't have cryptocurrency. You see, this is, you all know how to do that. You all know how to buy ton. All right, so buying ton is not what we are here for. To buy ton, you need someone to send it for you, or you need to use your card or all that to buy ton in your ton wallet. All right, what are Memepad economics? The total token supply created in the Memepad. So they are trying to explain Memepad economics here, and you have to use that. All right, you have to know about this before you start your own Memepad. All right, so the total token supply created in the Memepad, they give what is 1 billion. All right, amount of tokens sold within Bond Corp is 800,000. This is just an example of the economics. Buy and sell tokens commission 1%. Launch token platform commission 0.5 ton. Liquidity pool created on DX is 200 million. All right, tokens per 1,000 what 1,490 ton. What is ton? I don't have to explain this. Why should I use ton to launch my meme token? So ton offers everything you need to get your token up and running smoothly. All right, speed transaction or process in a flash. So this is the reason we are not here for this. All right, do I need to know how to code? No, not at all. You don't need Memepad. Not at all. Memepad is designed for anyone, whether you are a tech. So you see, you don't have to be a tech pro before you start Memepad. So if it's for everyone, everything is there. You just need to fill out what you need to fill out and start. All right, so it's not hard, it's easy. How much does it cost to create a meme token? Creating a meme token on Memepad is very affordable. The primary cost is the gas piece on the Tron blockchain, but those fees are very low compared to the most other blockchain. Memepad keep things budget friendly, so you can focus on building your community. So I'm not gonna lie to you, you can't start Memepad for free, absolute free. No, you have to pay some gas piece. As you can see here, they said the primary cost is the gas piece, so you all need those gas piece to start your own Memepad. All right, everyone need those gas piece to start their own Memepad. How do I promote my meme token? So promoting your token is all about getting your community excited and involved. You can use Telegram, Twitter, whatever, any social media platform to spread the word. Memepad also helps make your token visible, so you can start building a following, get creativity with challenges, contents, and all that. So you see, even if you create the meme token, you need to have to work for it. Like, you have to convince your community about it. You have to explain everything in details for them to understand what your token is all about, so that they can embrace it. All right, so let's go to the next one. The next one is, can I buy or sell meme tokens directly on Memepad? Absolutely, you can buy, sell, and trade meme tokens directly on Memepad. So you can do that on Memepad. You don't need to go to somewhere to community and all that. But it's good that you have you need to have the community to share with. It's good that you need to have the community to, so that you get more people on your tokens. All right, but you can do yours buy and sell on the same Memepad. So the next step, number 17, is Memepad secure. Look at it here. Is Memepad secure? All right, absolutely. Memepad is built on the secure Ton blockchain, so your tokens and transactions are safe. Plus, we follow best security practice to ensure that everything runs smoothly. So, in terms of security, you don't have no problem with Memepad. All right, let's go to the next one, which is number 18. Guys, before you start that, you definitely need to make sure you know all these things. Do not go and risk anything there. If you don't know, you need to have the knowledge before you do it. All right, so please, before you continue, if you are new to my channel, I need you to subscribe. All right, hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Can I withdraw my tokens or transfer them to another wallet? Good. So you need to know. Yes, you can. Once your token is live, you can withdraw it to any wallet that support Ton blockchain. From there, you can manage your tokens however you like, hold, trade, or transfer. So as you can see, your tokens, you can transfer and withdraw your tokens. So this is really nice. It's getting interesting. All right. Are there any risks involved in launching a meme tokens? Like any crypto project, there are risks to be aware of. Price volatility. Meme tokens can go up and down in value quickly. Community engagement. The success of your token depends on how well you engage with your community. Regulatory risks. Cryptocurrency laws are still evolving, so it is important to stay informed about any changes in regulation. So, you see, the risks here is, you see, I'm not gonna lie to you, the way the tokens can go up and down, the volatility, that's what we call it, volatile volatility of the market and all that really matters. You see, you can start this as long as you have a community, you engage with people, and your tokens will go high, will go up, will grow, and you will get a profit on that. But you might end up getting losses. All right, so you see the risk is there. All right, you have to know about this. It's there. All right, so you can't just create coin and just leave it like that without engaging, without uh, sharing with your community and all that. What are the main part functions? Launch token, launch your own token with couple simple steps. So Memepad is just your own token. You're just launching your own token, just like the way X Empire launched their token, just like the way Docs launched their tokens, just like the way Ton and all that. You are launching your own personal token. All right, this is all about Memepad. All right, so fresh hottest token right now by number of transactions, blooming tokens that are closest to listing on X, bloomed tokens that are already listed on X, position tokens that you are holding. So what is bonding corp? How to restore access to Memepad account is lost. So you see, this one is important. Bonding Corp is a tool that helps determine token prices and a structured manner with help of mathematical formulas, but it's simple word. It's like a market cap. Yes, so it's just like analysis. That is Bonding Corp. It's just like the analysis of how your token is going up and down. That is what you call a Bonding Corp. And how to restore access to Memepad if Telegram account is lost. So how are you going to get your Memepad back if your Telegram account is lost? No worries, your tokens are stored in your Ton wallet. If you want to keep trading, you can just create a new Blum account, connect the same Ton wallet. All right, so your Memepad is going to be on your wallet. So they have make that possible. It is going to be on your wallet. It's not about your account, it's about your wallet. All right, so what to do if transaction takes too much time to get approved? So what are you going to do if your transaction didn't go well? All right, after you confirm transaction, it may take up to 40 seconds to get approved by Ton network. If it takes more time, you need to wait until it is declined or confirmed. Longer confirmation times may be caused by the high load in the Ton network. So delay may be, probably you may experience delay, but you know why? Because of traffic on the network. All right, is there a roadmap for the feature update? Yes, but it's always working on new features and improvement. Stay tuned for updates that will make launching and managing your meme token even easier. We are committed to giving you the best tools to grow your community. So guys, as you can see, I have explained everything in details, everything you need to know about Memepad. And if you know you have any question about this Memepad, you should drop it on the comment section. If you have any question you need to ask based on Blum Memepad, just drop it on the comment section.